Paano nga ba makakuha ng clients as a virtual assistant without going through platforms, marketplace, at VA agencies? Hi, I'm Mary, and I teach people how to start working from home. During my live, may nagtanong kung paano nga ba makakuha ng direct clients. So let's go ahead and answer that in this video. However, before that, kung kagaya kayo ni NNN, bakit ngayon lang lumabas sa FYP ko? If you don't wanna miss any work from home chismis, most especially yung mga hiring at saka work from home opportunities, pumunta kayo sa profile ko, make sure you follow, and hit the bell button para ma-notify kayo pag may bagong video. Keep in mind that there are different ways to do this. I'm just gonna show you one or maybe two. First is by marketing yourself. Obviously, before you do any of this, kailangan alam mo na kung ano yung service na i-offer mo as a virtual assistant. And then, create a list of your dream client. Anong niche, anong industry sila, ano yung price bracket nila, how big yung company, and all that nitty-gritty stuff. But once you're done with that, you can find them on LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or even Instagram. Send them a custom message na may kasamang value ha. Interact with them sa mga group. Make sure that you show them exactly what you can do for their business. Hindi yung basta lang hire me. Halimbawa, assess their current brand. What can you offer them pro bono? Ano pa yung mga kailangan ng business nila to improve? Recommend solutions, strategies, and how you can actually help them with that service. Tapos hintayin mo sila mag-reply kasi the right clients will get back at you, lalo na if alam nilang kailangan talaga nila ng tulong. If hindi nag-reply, that is okay. At least you reached out, but you continuously engage and interact with their profile. On top of that, sa mga profiles mo, make sure that you're also giving value. Kumbaga dito naman, ipupul mo sila sa'yo sa profile mo. Mag-create ka ng valuable content, share your insights, problem solution. Yung typical na na-encounter ng mga businesses or clients na target mo, make sure that you create valuable content that will help them and will let them know that you are actually there to assist. Make sure that you show up. Kahit nga manggawa ka lang ng mga dummy na problems, dummy projects na ipapakita kung ano yung mga skills mo. This will not just help you build your skills, but will also provide you an opportunity to build your portfolio. Tapos makikita pa ng mga potential clients kung ano yung capabilities mo na. Kung hindi ka pa marunong, create a sales funnel, pag-aralan mo kung paano, and then make sure that you also automate your processes. Anything that you can automate, start automating them at the onset of your parang business, your freelancing business. To do this, ilista mo lang ano yung pinakang workflow ng mga magiging clients mo. From the time na makita nila yung content mo, to the time na mag-inquire sila, how to book a call with you, questions about your business, even yung price point na meron ka, yung mga packages na ino-offer mo and all that. So what you're doing here is you're actually marketing your business as a virtual assistant. This will be very hard. It's not gonna be easy. But I promise you, as soon as you master this, tapos you continuously show up, clients will be coming in and they will be asking about your services. Kaya nga lagi ko sinasabi, you have to make sure kapag magsisimula ka pa lang as a virtual assistant, subukan mo lahat. Mag-apply ka sa mga platforms, sa mga agencies, and then you will also be doing this because mali mo naman, pan-direct client ka na talaga. If there's any part of this video that you want me to talk about more in details, mag-comment na lang kayo dyan. Also, comment any questions you guys have about working from home and follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!